The TRADESAFE Universal Spill Kit bag is a compact, all-in-one solution for fast and effective spill response. Inside the bag, you'll find everything needed for safe cleanup. Absorbent pads quickly soak up oils, coolants, and water-based fluids. Absorbent socks create a tight barrier around spills to stop liquids from spreading. Absorbent pillow controls heavy leaks and drips, especially in hard-to-reach spaces. Hazmat bags allow safe containment and disposal of used absorbents. A pair of nitrile gloves protects your hands from harmful chemicals, while adjustable goggles shield your eyes from splashes and debris. Each absorbent is built for high performance. The socks and pillow use a spun-bond outer mesh with polypropylene filler for reliable containment, while the pads feature a 3-layer polypropylene design for fast absorption that leaves no residue. Together, the kit can absorb up to 7 gallons of liquid. It's versatile enough to handle oil, water, solvents, coolants, and more, making it ideal for workshops, warehouses, and mobile operations. For convenience, all components are stored neatly in a bright yellow PVC bag that's easy to carry, store, and grab during emergencies. And when cleanup is done, the polyethylene hazmat bags support EPA-compliant disposal, so the process is just as safe as it is efficient. With its durable components, portable design, and complete set of absorbents and PPE, the TRADESAFE Universal Spill Kit bag is made to deliver quick, compliant spill response wherever it's needed. Innovative safety solutions, trusted by industry leaders. TRADESAFE.